Hey everyone, Steve here. How's everyone going? Well, I'm just heading down to the post office because I think there's a parcel down there, and it's something to do with the video that I'm going to show you today. It's something I've been waiting on. Contacted by a company there a few weeks ago and asked me would I be interested in showing one of their products, and I think it's a product that everyone sort of forgets about, and especially forgets about when you take your car to a car dealer or something to get serviced. I don't think I've ever remembered my car dealer checking this product. So stay tuned. I'm just about at the post office. I'm just coming around the corner there now. Yeah, so we're just coming around the corner. Not real busy down here today, but I'll duck into the post office here. I should be able to pull up in this quick stop here. Not the disabled one, but there's a quick one just at the start there. Don't think anyone's going to worry on a Sunday. I'll duck in there and grab it and get back out again. Lucky those parcel lockers work, eh? Let's get out of here and get home. I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Okay guys, I'm at home. I've got my parcel in my hand, and what was the product I was talking about? Probably can't guess from the box, but it is actually wiper blades. I was contacted by wipersdirect.com.au. They are an Australian company, and they got in contact with me and asked me would I like to have a look at one of their products and test it out. And I said, coincidentally, I've been talking about replacing the wiper blades on the FJ for a while now, because they are getting a little bit sad and sorry. I'll show you them in a minute. But like I was saying, it's one of the things that we quite often forget about until it's till they break. You know, you turn your wipers on and then the blades have all perished and they break off, and that's what's happened to one of mine. I've got 3 of them on the front and 1 on the rear on the FJ, and one of the little blades is actually cracked. And I noticed, like on the windscreen, I'll show you a little bit of footage of the wipers actually washing some water up on the screen there now, and as you can see, they're not doing a real flash job, are they? But they got in contact with me and said, look, we are an Australian company. We do sell thousands of these online, and they just wanted to get their name out in the market. So I said I'd give them a go, test them out for them, and show you what they look like. They were really quick to turn up as well. The guys, I just told them the make and model of my car. They posted them out to me, and as you can see, I've just picked them up. I just missed the mail the other day, so they took them back to the post office and put them in one of those security boxes. So I'll stop talking, and I'll show you the products. I'll quickly show you how they go on and how quick they are to set up. So cheers everyone, and thanks for watching. I will leave a link in the description for wiperdirect.com.au. They have of different makes and models on there. I've been having a look at them. Just got to punch in all your details and pay for them like everything you do online these days, and they'll post them out to you. But I do love the fact that they are an Aussie company. So let's get into it, and I'll show you what they look like, eh? Cheers everyone. Okay, let's open her up, eh? So, like I said, they turned up really quick. They've sent me out the 3 wiper blades for the front of the FJ. I'm not going to worry about, I told them not to worry about the rear one. I hardly ever use it anyway, so I don't think I've ever turned it on, to be honest with you, because I can't see out the back window. So, not really worried about that. I have 3 different sizes. They all look the same size in the packet there, but I've got one 16mm, which is over the driver's side, and 2 14mm. They do have a QR code on the end of the wiper blade there on the box. If you want to scan that with your phone, you can follow the directions, have a look at how to install these. And also with taking your wiper blades off your car, follow your directions that your 4-wheel drive comes with. And also guys, make sure you clean your window before you use these, or put them on, just give them a good clean. But I can tell you what, they do need replacing. I'll quickly just take this wiper blade off, because I have taken these off once before. There's a little clip just down the bottom here, and you've got to just push the wiper blade back. So that one comes off really easy. I'll give you a look at it. Have a look at that. No wonder they weren't working. It's like I said, it's just something you don't think of. When you take your car in to get serviced and you take it into the dealers and they say, oh, what do you want done? Oh, change the oil, check everything, check the wheel bearings, everything. I don't think they ever check the wiper blades. Well, but I don't think my one have, and that's a great thing about this company contacting me. It saved me the hassle of having to ask them, and I think from now on, I know where I'll be buying my wiper blades, because have a look at this on the back there. I'll put that photo up on the screen. But perfect fit, designed in Australia, so that's what I love about it. And a 1-year warranty. Gives you all the instructions on the back there. Let's have a quick look at them. I'll pull it out and throw that down on the ground there. Have a look at that wiper blade there. It's made of that flexible material, like some sort of plasticky, where these are got like little metal ribs in them and all that sort of thing. And should have the same sort of clip on the top there, because it should be my make and model. That's what you look for when you're on the website. Make sure you select your vehicle and make sure you order the right ones. They have a 1-year replacement warranty as well, and really quick turnaround, and they have tons of them online. I've had a look. So absolutely fantastic. They tick all the boxes. Aussie made, quick delivery, and they work better, I reckon. Well, I know they will. So I've looked at a lot of videos and that and seen people using them. So they just wanted me to get their name out there. wipersdirect.com.au. So I'll quickly put these on the car so you can have a look at them. Now basically all you got to do, I've looked at the instructions online. There's a little clip on the back of this wiper blade here. I've got our little helicopter going above me there. Hopefully you can't hear it. But you just pull that clip up. On my thing there's a little hook piece that goes in there. Then you just push that clip down, lock it on. Let's do it, eh? How quick and easy was that, guys? Literally took seconds. There's no editing in here, and the wiper blade can go back down. How simple was that? I've got 2 more to do. I'll quickly get them done. Then we'll come back, and what I might do is I'll clean the window, get the hose out and do the old water test again. But by the look of the sky above me, I might need to worry about that, because I reckon it's going to rain, because I can see the screen of the camera getting darker. So always the way. Let's get into it. I'll get the rest done and we'll come back in a second, eh? Cheers, everyone. All done. Okay, all done. It literally took seconds to do, guys. I don't know how the clips are on your car, but on the FJ it was pretty simple. They are fantastic. I'll tell you what, I was just looking a little bit closer at them too. Being designed in Australia, I can see that they've really put some thought into how these wiper blades are going to work on the windscreen, especially when you're driving at speed or something, because they've got like this big aerodynamic front on them, and there's a flange, and I reckon the wind will blow into that and push the wiper blade onto the windscreen to get more water off the window. So looks like they've put a lot of design effort into it. I'll get the window cleaned up now. I'll get the hose out and show you that footage, and we'll finish off, eh? Cheers, everyone. Okay, got the windows all cleaned, got the wipers on, turn the wipers on, put the water on, and I'll show you the footage. I've got a camera on the inside there. I'll just wet the window a bit and hopefully reach in. and turn the wipers on, which is easier said than done. So there's a bit of water on the windscreen. We'll turn them on. There we go. I'll tell you what, I can notice the difference on that already. There we go. Bit of heavy rain, and I tell you what, I can see that cleaning those windscreens much better. So wipersdirect.com.au, absolutely fantastic guys, and I'll turn this off now, finish off, and thanks very much for watching, eh? Cheers. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them down below, please. As usual. Look at that. How good is that? Okay guys, how good was that? The wiper blades are absolutely fantastic. Like I said, designed in Australia, sold out of Melbourne, and wipersdirect.com.au. Got the packet in my hand still. You know, thanks to them down there for getting behind me, getting behind a little YouTube channel as well, and helping me out. I want to help them out. And speaking of helping us out, I was in contact with the guys down at wipersdirect.com.au, and they've also given me a code. So when you go to their website, select all the wiper blades you want for your vehicle. When you go to checkout, it'll ask you to put a code in. So if you put in SAW15, I'll put it up on the screen there so you can read it. Put in SAW15, you'll get an extra 15% off. So how cool is that? Thanks very much guys, and all my subscribers and watchers, make sure you use it, because that'll be a great saving and you'll be helping an Aussie company out. They were telling me it's been a little bit quiet. Things have slowed down a little bit. They're trying to get themselves out there a little bit more. I want to help them out. I'd like all my followers to get on there. If you think you need a new set of wiper blades, get on there and support them. You'll be helping an Aussie company out. So thanks very much to wipersdirect.com.au. That's the website. Don't forget, I'll leave a link in the description so you can find them. Thanks very much everyone for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. I love bringing these sort of products to you, and I hope you've enjoyed as well. If you've got any questions, queries or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. I'm going to go have a beer because my mouth's getting a bit dry. It's getting late in the day. So I will see you on the next one. Cheers everyone. Bye. Cheers everyone.